Hi everyone, my name is Andrew Mallett and a big welcome to my course, Using Salt's Alternative Architectures. First of all, just a little bit about me. Don't worry, just a little bit about me. I work in the UK as a Linux trainer and consultant working at my own company, the Urban Penguin. This course is designed to give you the skills that you need to help you understand the different topologies that can be used to architect your Salt open solution. As you progress through this course, you will learn how to install a basic Salt environment with a master and a minion. Now this is really important to ensure that you have a working lab to follow with the demonstrations. You'll then move on to using agentless minions, load balancing your masters, and using standalone minions. Some of the major topics that we're going to cover include using salt-ssh in place of the Salt Minion. We'll be installing and configuring salt-syndic and using salt call with the option ---- local for masterless minions. At the end of this course, you're going to be able to fully manage the remote execution and configuration management of your estate. And that estate can consist of different Linux distributions. Before beginning this course, you should be familiar with working at the Linux command line and executing commands. With this knowledge already in your arsenal, you're going to gain the most from this course and really extend your DevOps capabilities. I'll hope you'll join me on this journey, learning the details you've always wanted to know about the different architectures within Salt Open.